Category 3. Equivalence premiums and multi-state products. Prior sittings ask model choice for critical illness riders, hybrid disability plus CI packages, nursing home term with occupancy benefits, CCRC entry fee plus continuous residence fee proportion gamma, and lapse-supported whole life. First price without lapse, then add the lapse state and discuss incentives. Differences: verbal diagram and model selection versus a full numerical equivalence solve. Fee structures on a CCRC campus versus insurance benefit packages. And adding a lapse state changes both the premium and what lapse-supported business means. Attack checklist. Lock the state diagram and which transitions pay cash. Separate the EPV of benefits and expenses from the EPV of the premium annuity, often state contingent. Solve premium by equivalence, then prospective values if asked. On verbal parts, name which model is valid, lapse-supported risks, and refund features. Grounded variance. CCRC with refund of entry fee on death in Excel Euler format. Disability income with an elimination period and modified benefits after recovery. Or hybrid LTC plus life on one Markov skeleton with a waiting period. Climb the 5 prior questions easy to hard after this. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.